Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Shruti. I'm a 3D artist and today I'm going to start a brand new series of tutorial just for you. I will begin with character designing in Maya, and as I mentioned, this is a series of tutorial guides. It will be so much fun. I will show you how to create UV map, how to create a realistic texture in Adobe Photoshop and Substance Painter, and I will show you how to create realistic hair using Adobe Photoshop and Xgen. And at the end of the series, I will show you how to rig your own character that you have developed throughout this tutorial using advanced skeleton. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, guys, so that you don't miss any of my videos. And I know there are multiple ways to do that, but I will show you how I did do it, and I hope that it will be really valuable and helpful for all of you guys. So stay tuned and let's begin with character designing in Maya.
I'll just quickly grab a pencil tool and start creating my own character. As I imagined, I'll start creating the side profile first, and I'll create just an outline. It doesn't have to be perfect, but in 3D design, proportion is really important, so I'll just try to make as accurate as possible. And I'll just make sure that eyes are really prominent and lips are accurate, just because in 3D design when you are creating facial expression, it should be visible on screen, and if it is prominent, it will look nice. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm trying to be as accurate as possible with proportion. And don't forget to save your file frequently, guys, because Maya and Adobe apps are really huge and it crashes frequently. So save your file frequently to save your hard work. And if you are working on multiple projects simultaneously, don't forget to save with proper naming convention, because otherwise, if you don't keep your folders and files organized, it will be difficult for you to identify and find your files. I'm not quite happy with the head shape because it is a teen girl, right? So I want a long, silky, straight hair. So I'm just trying to make a proper hair shape. I'll just create a small ear, and with erase tool I just erase this part, and then I think it's done. Yeah, I'll just make sure that eyebrows are okay, and I'll just save and make it longer. Eyebrows is fine. Yes. Yeah. And I don't like the double chin like me, sitting there, so I'll just make sure that I'm modifying that part. And now the file is ready. I'll just drag it to the right side, and I'll just start creating the front face of my character. So let's create ear first, and then just copy paste and try to create overall head shape. But I'm just in one circle, and later I can add some points to give it a shape. I don't think I need right now. Just that point and try to give it a shape. And as I mentioned, it doesn't have to be perfect. Always we can come back and modify it. But I'm using Adobe Illustrator, but you don't have to use that. You can use Photoshop or any free apps available on internet like Canva or anything else, whatever comfortable for you. And even you can skip this tutorial if you are not interested in illustration or anything like that. Then you can grab your own reference from your favorite movie character or game character. So you can just download front face and side face of your character, and you can skip this tutorial. I'll move to next tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. I'll just edit lips because it was already looking that she's smiling, but it should be neutral at this initial stage, because when I edit my character, then I will make sure that I'm creating the facial animation, and I'll just make sure that eyes are a little bit realistic because it was looking funny. It doesn't have to be perfect, just a little bit realistic. Yeah, I think this is fine. I'll just put some color and I'll copy paste the same. Yeah, now this is fine, and just copy paste the same in the side and just modify a little bit. And as my the other character, side profile of my character is little longer, the face is longer, so I'll just make sure that her face is longer. Yes, done. I'll just make sure that I'm making perfect shape of the overall head. Yeah, now it's perfect. Now I'll just quickly create a body part and do it. Yeah, it's done. There in separate files so that I can use two reference, side face and front face, in my next tutorial video, and I will show you how to create 3D character in Maya. Okay, so stay tuned, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, so see you in next tutorial. Bye bye, have a nice day.